Bitcoin is collapsing now again. Do you want to know everything about the crypto world? Do you want to earn an airdrop? Maybe? So smash that like button. It's time for Crypto News, Fun on the Ride, Crypto a tope. So sad one more time. Why? Because Bitcoin is going down. Almost $2,000, 8% down. And we broke the $20,000 line. We broke this moving average and now heading 19,000. Why is that? Well, that's because Silvergate, the crypto-friendly bank, just closed voluntarily. All clients are going to have their money back, but it's closed for good. We knew about that. The action price went 90% now down for Silvergate and also other financial instruments. In United States, the stock market went down. Asia is going down today. Gold is going up. Everything south. So it's not just crypto world going down, but the whole thing. And remember last video about Jerome Powell and how they are helping us with their speaking to go down. The stock market now finding support in the S&P 500. In this line again is the most important line we are following for a long time. And you can see that dollar went down even yesterday, and we were not able of going up. Why? Because we have a lot of fiascos in the crypto space. We'll see for Bitcoin. The market is in fear right now again, so this is not new for us. If you search the word Bitcoin, you will find a lot of panic in the market in the last 24 hours. And it's reasonable because like $300 million were liquidated due to bad news, like, for example, Silvergate, Jerome Powell, of course, but more than that, Kucoin, for example, now facing regulatory hit over the sale of unregistered securities in New York. Here we have one of the people responsible for that. I'm suing crypto platform Kucoin.com for illegally operating in New York without registering with the state. This is our 8th action to rein in shadowy cryptocurrency platforms that disregard our laws and put New Yorkers at risk. Whatever thing is, bad day for exchanges, bad day for Kucoin, bad day for Huobi. The token tanked 93% in minutes. And for the end of the day, it was a 20% drop. Justin Sun, that you can see behind the exchange, now trying to provide liquidity, $100 million, in order to avoid collapse. So we'll see who's the next that is going to be in trouble. Maybe Kucoin, maybe Huobi. Have all this into consideration. Some panic, everybody going to use the Ledger Nano S Plus or X or maybe Stacks, because we know that the situation in the exchanges is really bad. We'll see about those. Also, Crypto.com now in the fights because they don't have ramps for fiat money. They are just using euro. They can't use dollar anymore. So bad news for Crypto.com. Have that under consideration. And who could win for the unwind of Silvergate? Well, we have this article. I leave you in the description, but it's a long article. So we use ChatGPT in order to find a sum up, and we have 4 important points there. The friend, the chart is telling us. So the idea here is that probably some other banks will appear, that we are incentivizing now competitivity in the market. Remember that Kraken maybe is going to have a crypto bank, a crypto-friendly bank. So the idea here is that we are making the market more resilient, that we are, of course, having a bad time now, but separating the good companies for the bad ones. We'll see if that's true in the future, and beware of crypto and AI, because, again, ChatGPT is awesome, but now we have a crazy amount of tokens related with AI. Some of them directly are a scam, and some of them, for example, this one that allegedly comes today in layer 2, it's called CryptoGPT. Well, those has no reason to exist but the hype, in my opinion. This is not financial advice. I'm not an expert. Do your own investigation. But again, be careful what you invest in. This might be a pump and dump. We talk about this in Spanish in this channel and in English in this one. Anyways, all you need to know about artificial intelligence and the relation with crypto and the scams. Be careful with that. Who is helping us to go down? Also, President of United States, Biden, he's telling that now we are changing the laws and it's going to be a change in how they tax crypto. The idea is to avoid wash trading, but the thing is they are going to make $24 billion if this law comes into light. Probably it won't because of the opposition, but the idea here is that you have some rules that are not being applied right now in the crypto world that apply in the financial traditional world. So maybe they change that, and if that's the case, we'll see what will happen with the crypto world. Another bad piece of information. Remember, we tell you everything in Crypto News. Do not miss a single episode out. And now let's talk about the Fed and how they are manipulating. Remember, that's something we talk about in that video. Even we talk about the Fed trading that you can do with their opinions. If you need help with taxations and with your portfolio, just download cointracking.com, cointracking.info. You have a 10% discount if you need one of the payment options, and this is the tracker I use, and also this is the instrument I use for my tax report. So interesting, and thank you very much to CL Crypto. Follow them on Twitter. They just tweeted that we are working with them in a lot of videos. You can find them in FunOntheRide.com in the section Crypto Legal, and there you have a lot of videos about the platform and also about taxation in different countries, etc., etc. If you need more, go to clcrypto.com. They will help you, or to their YouTube channel, youtube.com, where you have a lot of information specifically about taxes in Spain and the rest of the world. More bad news. The Fed is creating a new crypto team amid concerns about unregulated stable coins. Also, if we go to the market, we are going to see that everything is in the red. Let's see if my browser works, because it feels like internet is going so slowly. CBDCs could be easily weaponized to spies on US citizens. Hopefully, it's a good thing that more and more congressmen will know about this. As the federal government seeks to maintain and expand financial control to which it has grown accustomed, the idea of the central bank digital currency has gained traction within the institutions of power in the United States as government control programmable money that can be easily weaponized into a surveillance tool. So good to know about this. We have to be very careful with these tools, because it's true, it's a good system, it's a new system. The banks, the traditional ones, are a disaster. You can use them 24 hours every time you need them, every day of the year. But with crypto you can, and also you have micropayments, and also you have less and less intermediaries. That's good for remittances and everything. But also the other way of looking at this is that they can use this new digital money in order to control you, to tell you where and when and on what can you spend your own money. So we have to fight for our freedom for sure. So as I was telling you, the market is in the red. CoinGecko, let's see if we find here some internet so that I can show you. We are allegedly working now. Yes. So you can see everything is going down. You can see that the stable coins are the ones in the green. So that means the money is flowing out of the market. And you can see some exchanges token are the worst of the day, as I was telling you, because of all those news. But also some AI crypto going down. Like for example, Agix. Is this because of it was just hype? Maybe so. We talked about that in the past. You can see that previously, when Bitcoin was going down, well, some AI coins were stable or they went even going up. Well, right now you can see that both Bitcoin and AX in this case are going down. Ethereum going down, it broke the megaphone pattern, also this moving average of 100 days, and it's breaking this line where we had resistance in the past, and also it's a line that I draw with the past lows. So bad news, we'll see if we will hold in 200, because the idea now is that we are going south. Also with Binance Coin, we'll see if we are heading to $243. And if we want Bitcoin to go up parabolically, we better start soon, because it's breaking all the lines we had for that pattern, for that idea. Even our speculation about the death cross of Bitcoin and maybe the bounce in the white line, as last time we were close to that pattern, is breaking, so maybe it's not in the cards anymore. We'll see about that. And talking about these two EMAs, you can see that we are following the option where everything goes south. So maybe if we follow the path now, we will stop at 16,300. Also comparing with 2020, again, be careful, because you can see that we are now in this line. Maybe we'll be there for a week or so, and then starting some point next week, we will go south for good. Maybe that's the idea. Remember the descending wedge we had, and we needed to touch it in order to have a bounce and maybe go up to $50,000, or maybe we are going to feel the pain and go to $9,000, $10,000 for Bitcoin. We closed the gap, the homework we had in 19,800, but remember that we have more gaps to be filled. The last one is in 9,600. So we'll see about that. If you want to be optimistic, we just created a positive gap in $21,000, $22,000. So we have to eventually go there in order to close it. Again, I'm not financial advice. This might be true or not. Do not trade with the things I say ever. We can see also that we have this red line. So maybe we will stop at 18,000 for Bitcoin. We'll see about that. We don't care. Our friend Jose Luis sent us this guy. He's a real holder, and you can see that the market is changing conditions. This is a roller coaster all the time, but he stands still, he holds, he has no emotions anymore, as we don't either. Good news for Cardano, the TVL is in all-time high, and we are going higher with delegators in our official pool, Cardano on the right Fanon, so thank you very much for that. Bad news for Hedera, it's telling us they had an exploit on Mainnet that led to the thieves of service tokens. We are breaking the line on $40 billion in the DeFi ecosystem, even though we have very good news today. One of them is that Lightning Network is being used for more and more things like play to earn. Here you can watch some baseball on TV, you have a QR, and you will get some Lightning, some Bitcoin, some Satoshis in order if you just catch those QRs. That's good. These kind of things will help in adoption. It's a game, but we learn with games. And also, it's a good thing that Ethereum gas is really low. So maybe you have some homework to do. It's a very, very good moment right now. In the future, this will be more expensive. So maybe you have to check the data we have. You have the expiration date you have for your ENS domain or something like this. Well, go there and take advantage of the low prices for the gas. And the best news today for NFTs, a huge news, is that Starbucks is serving up its first premium NFT at $100 a pop. So the idea is those loyalty plans now being connected with NFTs, with blockchains. Starbucks is pushing hard. Now you can have the Siren collection and maybe make some money. If you can't make money with those, maybe you are eligible for a claim on Lens protocol. If you are a member of Crypto Plaza in Madrid, Spain, well, you can claim your airdrop Lens protocol is a huge idea. Just picture some things like Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, those in a decentralized way. Well, that's the idea behind Lens protocol. We don't know if it's the one that will work in the future, but they are trying. I was yesterday in Crypto Plaza in Madrid talking with Jesus Perez. Thank you very much. Thanks to him, I have my token and I can try Lens protocol, which I'm liking. I am enjoying it a lot. And he was telling me that it's so important to know that we should follow the devs. What that means? That means that on Facebook, Instagram, it's very difficult to create things on top of that. But if you have a decentralized protocol, well, if you are a developer, you can do whatever you want. And eventually, one of those applications will be a huge success and everything. We will find the reason in order to use it mainstream. So good for them and good for Crypto Plaza. Thank you very much. Just go and check. I'll leave you the link in the description if you are eligible or not. I'm using it already. If you are not, you can also buy a profile on OpenSea and you can try it. It's more than $100, so you can make some money. Again, thank you, Crypto Plaza. And if you have them, just follow everybody of the members in Crypto Plaza, including myself. Link in the description. Thank you very much. One app you can use, for example, with it will be ORB, where you have kinda Twitter there. All the friends are joining there, and we will share our information in these protocols in the future. Follow also CryptoPlaza.es, where you have a lot of information. Maybe you missed this airdrop, but you will find more for the future. Everything, of course, with the safety of the ledger, as we told you on Twitter, and you can't anymore buy ledger stacks by now. All those pre-sales are over, so you can click on notify me and you will know in a couple of months when they open again the possibility of having one of those. You can buy with the link in the description. Thank you very much. A Ledger Nano S Plus or a Ledger Nano X, and be safe, because this market is so dangerous, as this cat knows, as we know, and we eventually always fall. So be careful with that, as this cat was stuck in the market. He was trying for good, but without the ledger, so he was stuck there. He was scammed. What about this one? He was smelling his dream, but the market eventually decided to broke all those dreams. We have no more time. If you want to learn Spanish, we have this very same video in Spanish in FunOntheRide, our primary channel. If you want more in English, here in FunOntheRide Crypto on Monday. Health, money, love, party in peace. The best is yet to come, and crypto a tope. To the moon!